A lot of typewriters make it easy to produce letter-perfect letters. But what makes a perfect typewriter? If you want one that erases by itself, you can get the correcting Selectric typewriter or the new Xerox 610 memory writer. But if you want one that erases and also remembers to set columns, center, and underline automatically, then you can get their electronic Model 50 or the new Xerox memory writer. But if you want one that erases, sets columns, centers, underlines automatically, and also has a memory that stores phrases and paragraphs, then you can get their electronic Model 60 or the new Xerox memory writer. But if you want one that erases 2 lines, sets columns, centers, underlines automatically, has about 30% more memory, is upgradable, and costs under $1,360, then you can only get the new 610 memory writer from Xerox.